Come pack and order with us. First we sanitize all working areas and our hands. Then grab one of our boxes and here's today's order. First set of melts is 6 of our maple and pecan twists. Next they ordered 6 coffee caramel cream melts. Our melts also come in these cute little bags with a thank you sticker. Into the box they go. We also add the blueberry cheesecake Mickey Mouse melts into the box, and to say thank you for your kind order we add a discount code for your next shop. Then it's all packaged up and will be on its way to our amazing customer. We hope you love your order.